Yeah, I know my teeth are messed up. Got in a fight with somebody and they busted my tooth a long time ago. Been meaning to get those fixed, but hasn't worked out yet. Smoke a Woka. For those of you who have been watching me, I am very anxious about getting my mail, and it puts me on edge, and I'm nervous and everything else about the mail delivery system. So what I think I'm going to do is I'm going to start getting expedited services with it, because the wait time is just driving me nuts. This is supposed to be here on the 6th. So we're going to do the unboxing for first class postage. Maybe I can get away with first class postage. But to do that, I've set it in a box. So I'm going to surprise everyone with this. It's a very good to fine issue of Tales to Astonish. Probably my first I've gotten since I was a kid. I love collecting comics due to the fact that comics are my life. I just love comics. You know, they're not my life, but I did a pretty good job here with packing. I will, depending on whether it's not crushed or not, I will definitely give him some good feedback, provided he also gives me some feedback as a buyer. Now, I am selling items right now on eBay. This will not go up due to the fact that I just don't, you know, I don't have 2 copies of this. You did pack it right and shipped it right. Packed it and shipped it right. Not bad, Chad. This is from Matt, which I'm not going to reveal his address either. No invoice, really. I love getting these comics, but I just hate waiting for them. This is it here. Maybe they gave me an issue or messed up or something. I doubt it though. Just carefully. Hopefully it's bagged and boarded. If it's not, I'm going to be in deep shit. Did this right. So I got to peel along here, be careful of the inside, because if you puncture it with the comic itself, it will damage the inside if it's not bagged and boarded. We're doing 2 unboxings here, so I gotta look every side. So this is one of the proper ways to do it. You're supposed to protect it on both sides. Okay? Note both sides, okay? 2 pieces of cardboard is just fine, you know, if you're shipping it correctly. Do that. This is it. Woohoo! Yeah, just as described. And the invoice. There we go. Let's get off the cardboard. Garage sale sabbatical. eBay. This is from eBay. The person delivered it properly, and I have a 1960 odd comic book. As shown, as described. There it is. Beautiful, isn't that? To me, it's beautiful. Okay, it's bagged and boarded. The Submariner and the Hulk, Tales to Astonish, number 77. Always wanted this issue. I think I'm going to read it though, but it's in, as I showed before in my videos before, it doesn't have too much damage on it. It's in nice condition. It's only got like one dink on it. If you look there, just up there, that's it. You know, there's no massive creases on it or anything else. You know, it has been read a little bit, but it looks, other than that, you know, the cover's fine, except for this little part up here. But that's okay because I got it for $9.50 for a 1960 odd some odd comic book. So let's look online here, and we'll look up Tales to Astonish. So there it is, 77. I'm going to put it in. We're going to do the other unboxing too, and we'll show this one more time. $77. Let's try to get a full shot there. I usually take pictures of myself when I'm done, so a little closer there. Whose battery is the Hulk? There you go. So we've got Submariner, Incredible Hulk, Tales to Astonish, and because it was in such a nice condition and such minimal damage, even to the inner pages, which I haven't looked at, this would be a nice addition to my collection. I do want to get Tales to Astonish number 101. Marvel Wiki. Perfect. Let's look at Marvel Wiki. We're into 658 here. Sorry it's so long, but it's bringing it up. Just try and find out the year. The year was... doesn't say. Come on, what year was it? Oh, 1966. There we go. 1 year after I was born. This baby is older than I am. It's just about as old as I am. So, around the time that I was being born, this issue came out. So, if you do your math, this makes this comic book over 48 years old. 2 more years, it's 50. And I'm 49 now, so I'm 48. Nice cover. Beautiful. Just wonderful. I want to get a superior copy of this in order to sell it, because I will sell this for a high price. I just don't part with my comics that easily. So let's do the second unboxing. And I think I know which ones these are. I am getting a third unboxing, unless they mailed it with this. Okay. Classic. I hope you're enjoying, these unboxings with me, because I like doing the unboxings and then uploading them, revealing what comics I got. If you're not into comics, or you don't like comics, or whatever, something's wrong with you. No, actually, some people don't like comics, but I do. So those of you who do like comics, bear with me here while I open this up. I keep the boxes, by the way. My comic shop always delivers my items correctly. I haven't had an issue with them yet, but they seem to like protecting my stuff well. Okay. Post that here as usual. Remember, my first unboxing was from my comic shop, and I got Incredible Hulk Annual. 3. I have ordered No, it's 4.0. I'm sorry. The 4.01 is up for grabs right now on eBay at Comic Mart eBay shop. Now the problem here is that if you look here, you're not supposed to tighten the tape like that too much, even though it's in packing tape. You shouldn't do that due to the fact that it could actually put an indentation on the inside of the comic. But this is a better way to do it because it's protected from weather as well as other issues. And I will have to bag and board these. So I've gotten both these deliveries. This is the final. There's one more book that's on the way, which is the Incredible Hulk, or the Rampaging Hulk, number 8, which I loved. That will be coming from my comic shop in probably the best condition as possible. And I don't have to worry about this bag too much because I know how to open this out. Get it out. Wow. Really stuff them in there, don't they? Let's just kind of rip this off because I don't like going through the whole process of getting this off. There's more tape I have to go through. Yeah, it takes time, sorry, but that's the beauty of unboxing things. Gotta wait. Okay, so as I said before, I'll tell you what these are. So they don't know how to bag and board these properly. For one, they did bag and board everything. 2 copies of Batman number 27. I've been wanting to get this for a while. Batman 27. Look at that. My manager doesn't think these are all important, but if you saw the videos, you'd think they were pretty nice. Batman 27. And you notice on the back it's taped, so I'll have to put up my own bag and board because the board is too big for the comic book. It's a modern 2011 comic book. I love this cover. Both near mint. 9.6. As far as I'm concerned, it's 9.6. I don't know what CGC would say, but I don't like the mummification process. I want you to take care of your comics. So we got 2 issues of these. Batman 27. These were very popular just a couple months ago. 27. Oh. Trying to get it away from the light, so you can see it. Put this one down and do the picturesque there. Get a closer look there. I don't know why the light's doing that. I'll have to, maybe the shade is getting the sunlight's doing it. Yeah, Batman 27. I might even read one of these because it looks so interesting. But I will rebag and board these. 2 issues. Always get 2 issues, like I said. And my second copy, which is 8.0, a little bit better than the other one I have now, of Incredible Hulk 205. And as I said before, the final one that's coming is the Rampaging Hulk number 8, and that'll be up for this month. I might opt to get the Incredible Hulk 2 or 102. I found maybe a cheap seller out there that I've ordered from before. There you have it. So we've got all these issues. I'll try to fan them out. Hold up. issues. It's getting hot out. So there you have it. All the issues I've gotten through the mail. I'm really happy about this one in particular. This one in particular. So, Tales Astonish, 77. Incredible Hulk, 205. Jarella dies in this. It isn't until 3 issues later that the Hulk is actually crying, because of the loss. Batman 27 and Batman 27. Hey, thanks for watching. Check you later. Bye. Thanks for watching. One more unboxing to go.